Hey, no problem. I'll grab it right out of here. Oh my gosh, not again. Honey, grab me a screwdriver. No, I had a screwdriver around here somewhere. Oh, what's that? That ain't a screwdriver. Oh, oh my gosh, look at this. A cordless one and all the attachments. Wow. Hopefully this will be a lot easier. All right, get this party started again. Oh yeah. Forget your normal twist screwdriver. Look at this thing. Ooh, even torqued it down. Good as new. Wow. Thank you, Fanttik. I didn't even think you were a screwdriver at first.